Hello everyone, welcome to the DIPS Academy app walkthrough. Today, I'll show you how this app can become your one-stop destination for learning, practice, doubt solving and academic growth. Let's begin with the first step, that is creating your profile. Let's begin with the login and registration process. If you are a new user, you can easily create your account by registering your email or your mobile number. Simply enter the required details, verify your credentials, and you are ready to explore the platform. For existing students of DIPS Academy, the process is even simpler. Upon joining the academy, you will be provided with a unique user ID and a password. Enter these credentials on the login page to access your personalized dashboard. After logging in, you can visit the profile section to complete or update your personal information, view your enrolled courses, track your academic process, and manage your account settings. Once your profile is ready, you land on the dashboard, the central hub of the app. From here, you can access all the major features of DIPS Academy app. The first and foremost feature of this app is courses. Browse through the available courses, enroll in your desired program, and start learning immediately. Each course is structured with organized lessons, recorded lecture slides, notes, and practice content to ensure your smooth learning journey. Next comes live classes. Attend interactive sessions conducted by expert faculty members. If you miss any class, don't worry. The recorded lecture section allows you to revisit previous sessions anytime and learn at your own pace. Another valuable feature is study material. Here, you can access notes, presentations, assignments, worksheets, and other academic resources. Everything is available in one place, eliminating the need to search across multiple platforms. Let's talk about practice and assessments. The app provides quizzes, mock tests, assignment, and practice papers to help you evaluate your understanding. These assessments are designed to strengthen concepts, identify weak areas, and improve overall performance. One of the most useful features of DIPS Academy app is the chat room, where you can share your query and you'll get your response within 24 hours. Also, this feature helps you connect with your peer groups. Whenever you face difficulty in understanding a concept, simply raise a doubt through the app. You can type your question, upload an image, or share the exact problem that you are facing. Our academic experts and faculty members review your query and provide timely solutions, ensuring that no doubt remains unresolved. Don't forget to enable notifications. By keeping notifications active, you'll receive instant updates regarding upcoming classes, tests, important assignments, new study material, announcements, and events. On the top of it, you get question bank consisting of more than 40,000 plus questions. The DIPS Academy app is designed to make learning simpler, smarter, and more effective. Whether you are attending classes, practicing questions, solving doubts, or tracking your progress, everything you need is available in a single platform. Download the DIPS Academy app, create your profile, explore its features, and take your preparation towards next level.